And Keroche breweries have resumed operation in its Naivasha factory after the Kenya Revenue Authority removed the seals placed in their production line. Keroche CEO Tabitha Karanja says within the period the brewery was closed, they had made losses of up to 700 million shillings, but nevertheless the company is resuming with full vigor.
The machines roar back to life. The bottles filling up again. The tussle between Keroche breweries and the exchequer finally fizzled out when the two parties agreed on a 24-month timeline for a full clearance of all tax arrears. In the agreement, the brewery is to pay 21 million shillings upfront in goodwill, thereafter portioning the pending 957 million shillings to be paid within a span of 2 years. This came as the company workers embarked on the process of repackaging and selling liquor worth over 500 million shillings that is currently in their tanks.
We'll be able now even to continue solving things in a more, whatever is administrative, we do it in an administrative way. Whatever is about ADR, we do it in an ADR way, so that the KRA now can be seen also supporting the local entrepreneurs.
While lauding the move to reopen the brewery, Karanja says KRA had relaxed its demands and the company is willing to abide by them, paving way for full production and the retention of 250 employees that were on the brink of unemployment.
We recalled all the agency notices that they put in the banks, and we're also happy because now we start working with our banks as it was before.
KRA had accused the brewer of collecting excise tax worth over 279 million shillings from its beer sales and failing to remit it. The taxman now says Keroche must sort its affairs to facilitate the remittance of the overdue tax alongside the monthly taxes that will arise. KRA has also lifted the agency notice on 36 banks that had barred the brewery from seeking loans. Keroche CEO Tabitha says the government should in future implement policies that cushion local manufacturers from such incidences.
We are seeking the parliament to ensure that they look at the Finance Act and ensure that they give more powers to the Treasury, so that the Treasury now can be dealing with the case by case to ensure that the local entrepreneurs thrive and survive even in hard times.
Hibak Saeed for Lunchtime News.